Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to check battery health in iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, scroll down and tap on Battery. In the Battery menu, look for the Battery Health. Tap on it. Here you'll see detailed information about your iPhone's battery health. At the top, you'll see the battery health status. Mine is normal, which means my battery is functioning properly and at optimal performance. Below that, you can also see the cycle count. This shows how many complete charge cycles your battery has gone through. A charge cycle is counted when you use 100% of your battery's capacity, though not necessarily all at once. If your battery health is significantly degraded, you may see a message recommending a battery replacement. You can also see charging optimization settings here to help extend your battery's lifespan. And that's it. You now know how to check your iPhone's battery health and understand its condition. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.